Hi, I hope you're all having a great day today. Today's video is an unboxing video, and it is a Chanel item that I have been wanting for a very long time and have had a very hard time tracking down, and finally found it. So I really hope when I see it in person that the color is what it was in the picture. So very, very excited to add this. So I'm not going to keep you waiting. Let's get started and open this up. I hate undoing the pretty ribbon. I can never tie it back. Okay. Get into it. So I love the camellia and the beautiful ribbon. And there's the box that says Chanel. And then inside here is my receipt. And here is the care booklet. And yeah, just a little care booklet in there. It's Chanel on the outside. And then the little velvet dust bag that says Chanel. And, oh, it is a pretty color. It is the dark red zippy coin purse in dark red with ruthenium hardware. That is a really pretty red. Yeah, I like that a lot. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's really pretty. My sales associate did tell me it was lambskin, and actually it is calf skin. It said on the, she sent a picture of the outside tag. But so, oops, I showed the serial number, so it's going to be probably edited a little strange, but here is the tag if you want to see the number for it and what it is called. And here is the item number, and here is the price on the back if you want to see that. And let me open this up and take this out. And so here is the authenticity card down inside, and this one is made in Spain, and it has the 3 little slit compartments like all of the zippy coin purses do. This one does have the plastic zipper, which I will absolutely admit to not being extremely fond of, but I have not had any problems with it. And it does have the ruthenium. Let's take the tape off there so you can see that better. I have wanted a small red zippy for over a year, and it is just really, really hard to find. They've had a ton of orange ones. They've had, not orange, orange red, you know, like I want like a dark red or a blue red. I do not like orange red. So this one is really, really good. I like this a lot. Very excited about this. And there is the dust bag again. And you've seen these, I've shown them a million times because I have a ton of these. Let me grab my my other red boy one just for a color comparison of the 2 reds. I'll be right back. So when I went to get the wallet, I decided just to grab all of my red pieces because I have been meaning to do a Chanel red comparison video. So what better time than with my newest addition? And I also grabbed a couple of non-Chanel red pieces just to compare that with too. So starting with my newest piece, which I just showed you, this is from 18A, which I'm almost positive, I get confused with Chanel sometimes, but I think 18A means 18 autumn. So this is from, well, I know it's from autumn because it's the autumn collection right now, but so this is from 18A, and the name of this color is dark red. So I did look up the colors on the other 2 pieces that are seasonal pieces. And so this is the wallet that I actually got this spring, I believe. It is from 17A. So this one was released sometime about this time, probably last year, I would guess. So this one, the color name of this also is dark red. And this one is also from 17A, and also the color name is dark red. And as you can see, I think these 2 reds look extremely different. They both have gold. This is light gold. This is a little more brushed, darker gold. But they're both called dark red, but they're very different reds. And show them to you against the dark red from 18A. Again, very different. And then against the O-Zip coin, no, not coin purse. I can't think. Everything is called an O something. O-Zip case. I just call this a cosmetic pouch because they're all O something, which means other is what my friend told me. But so there, I think that's very different too. Try to show all three at once. So all three of these are named dark red, and clearly they are all very different colors. That's a little bit easier. If I can get them up a little closer. So very, very different reds. Try to give you a second. I'm like trying to work on not pulling things away too fast from the camera. So Chanel's classic red, and I did look up the tag for this. It just says red. It doesn't say dark red or anything else. It says red, and then on the tag it says OOV. And this one does not have a like an 18A, or I mean it's much older than that. But you know, there's no number like that in this one. And I don't know if it's because it's a classic piece or if it's because I've had it so long and the stickers have changed. I'm not sure, but this is what they consider to be their classic red. And it's a really pretty shade of red. Let me show that to you next to the newest one, which is considered dark red. And then next to the 17A red wallet, and this is called the medium boy zip wallet. I think it used to be called the small, and they've changed the name to medium. And then next to the cosmetic pouch, which this is much, much lighter, as you can see. And so just to show a comparison of the two wallets while I have them both out here, the medium boy has two slip compartments on either side and a big zipper. It is also made in Spain. This one does not have any compartment behind the slots. You know how a lot of wallets will have like an extra area? This is just all there is to this one. And I'm actually surprised that the zippy coin purses really can fit as much, if not more, than this one, partially because of the thickness and the gussets in this one. So I've showed you these before, but one more time. So there's the big three compartments, and then the sides are leather on that one. And then I thought, just for fun, I have two other red pieces in my collection, and one is the YSL card case, and this one I think it's just called red. It might be called dark red too, but just to show you the difference in that, this is one of the prettiest reds I have ever seen. I love that. Let's show that next to that, and next to the wallet, and next to the cosmetic pouch. I'm gonna quit saying oh anything. It's messing me up today. And then next to the classic Chanel. And then the last piece that I have, I picked up during the Longchamp sale. You know I love these pieces so much. It's their little, I think it's called Les Foulons. It's a little cosmetic pouch. And the color on this one is vermilion, and I'm not sure if it's still available online because I did get this one on sale. But this one is a beautiful dark red, and I want to say it was like $34, but they do have other pieces in their collection if this one is gone and you like red and you like Longchamp. So just to show you those together, those are a really good match together. That's kind of what I was thinking when I bought this, that it would be really nice. I like to use a zippy coin purse and one of these little bitty cosmetic pouches in my mini bag. So I think that looks good together. Not exact match, but I think it goes well enough. I just love seeing pops of color in my bag. Just makes me happy. And here it is against the Chanel wallet, the boy, and the coin, not coin purse. See, this one messes me up. Cosmetic pouch. I'm just gonna call it that. And then against the wallet on the chain. But these are great, and this red is really super saturated, so I guess it's kind of a little double reveal there because I shared this one too. But thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I do hope that this was helpful if you were looking for red, even though that wasn't what I intended when I started filming. But instead of just doing 2 videos, why not just throw it into one? But I'm very, very excited to have this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope to talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.